Okay, I think the viewpoint is just ahead. Great, and look at this mushroom I found. Oh, it's beautiful. Let's see if it's on the map. Good idea. I love these little. Let's keep going. Wow, look at these trees. They're massive. I know, right? This whole forest feels so ancient. These moss-covered logs must feel old. This place has so much history. Totally. Hey, hold up. What's that thing in front of you? What thing? Oh, that. I don't know. It looks strange. Should we check it out? Yeah, let's go. Keep going this way. Yeah, I can't wait to see it. Whoa, look! Is that it? It has to be. It's massive. Let's check it out. Whoa, look at this thing. It's an old broken plane. I think it's an alien airplane. Let's check it out. This is it. The entrance. Let's go. Stick to the plan. Oh my god. Look at all this. Alien to see more.
All right, let's get this cleared out. Start with the base. Using the trimmers on this grass now. Watch the debris. Keep it steady. Base is looking much clearer.
Opening. Let's go.
Careful now.
This is incredible. So much space.
And look at that bed, a hidden luxury suite.
Bed looks perfect. Let's check the window.
Good idea. This way.
And then the restroom.
Nice view. Very clear.
Yes, it is. Restroom is here. Lights work.